Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin analysis and also a little bit of an analysis on the total market because we are bullish, or at least Bitcoin is very bullish. If we look at the total market right now, it's still, the total 3, it's bullish, but both Bitcoin and the total 3 are at key resistance levels. So whatever the market is right now, which I think we're bullish, the time period we're in right now is very crucial to the success we'll have or not. So let's get right into it. First of all, if you look at it right now, we are very bullish. All right, what you can see is that first of all, we have a ton of volume right here. So Bitcoin's volume is nearing that 40 billion mark. Which means that real money is being transacted even in June, which usually the volume in June and July, which is also what we have seen so far, usually that drops down. Then apart from that, you can also see that the open interest is absolutely rallying in the last 2 days. That has gone from 34.2 billion to 37.8 billion. So that's $3.5 billion in positions being opened. Which is absolutely ridiculous, and you can also see, or ridiculous, it's great, and you can also see the CVD has been positive, so a lot of long positions are being opened. Now, at the same point of time, what you then usually get is that the market gets a little bit over leveraged, and I don't think that's the case yet. All right, if you look at the leverage right now, if you look at the funding rate right now, that's still pretty decent. And then apart from that, if you look at the ETF inflows, so then we have covered, I think, all the news you need to know. The ETF inflows yesterday were absolutely crazy, all right? They were higher than the entire last week together, plus Monday, all right? So we'll see how it goes today, but we got some inflows via Grayscale, a lot of inflows via the other ETFs, and just in general, a very bullish day. Now, everything I've said so far is very bullish. So then the main question is then, all right, well, then we will rally up higher, right? And the answer is not so simple, all right? Because if you look at the technical structure right here, we are at a significant resistance level right here between 71,500 and 72,500, I would say, all right? That's the main level we need to break. Yeah, it's a bit like which level specific, that's still up for debate. But that area is what we need to break. And so far, we've just been consolidating between that level and this level around 60,000. All right. So that's since for the last 3 months, we've been consolidating there. So you need a lot of momentum to break through that. And you also need some sort of a reason to break through that. And I'm not 100% sure yet whether we have enough of a reason. All right. The fundamentals, I think, are bullish. The technicals, I think, right now are bullish as well. But I think ultimately we need to get some confirmation, all right? That's the main thing. The economic situation right now, I think is better. I think the political situation in the US is quite good. The ETF inflows, if they'll continue like this, are amazing. So there are enough reasons for me to believe we'll break above 72,000 and we'll make new all-time highs at 75, 80,000, whatever. But for now, I need to see some confirmation. All right, and the technical structure, like I said, is a range. So what usually happens in crypto is that the range holds. So on the short term, momentum is still going up. I think we can actually still see some sort of a spike up higher towards some sort of a retest of 70,500 and then a spike up to 72,500 maybe. But for now, I don't expect us to break above that. All right, it's possible, but I will assume that we will not break above that. And that we will drop back down towards some sort of a bottom. But I'll keep you updated on that, all right? Ultimately, what we're waiting for to make this a bit more easy for you is a breakout above 72,500 or a breakdown below 69,500, all right? Because if we get that bearish breakout, then it's confirmed that at least this time around we will not break out. And I'm saying this as someone who's long on Bitcoin, all right? I bought Bitcoin yesterday at 69,000, still in a position on it. Also sent in a signal group. So I think we can go higher, but it's best to assume that we will not. And then if we actually get that confirmation, then you can still swap bullish and there's still plenty of upside to catch. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.